Welcome to Multiverse Hub, the channel dedicated to expanding your knowledge and helping you learn more efficiently. In today's video, we'll be sharing some tips and tricks for collecting information efficiently, so that you can learn faster, remember more, and stay ahead of the game. In today's fast-paced world, collecting information efficiently has become a vital skill. With an endless stream of information from a multitude of sources, it's essential to know how to gather and retain information effectively. By following the 5 tips below, you can improve your ability to collect and retain information efficiently. Firstly, using multiple sources is a crucial step in ensuring that you are getting accurate and unbiased information. In this age of technology, information is available at our fingertips. However, not all sources are reliable or trustworthy. Therefore, it's important to find the most reputable sources to gather information from. By using multiple sources, you can cross-check information and gain a broader perspective on a topic. Secondly, taking notes is an essential part of learning and remembering information. It can help you to organize your thoughts and make connections between different pieces of information. Notes can also serve as a reference point for future learning and revision. You can use a notebook, a digital tool, or any other method that works for you. Thirdly, visual aids can be incredibly useful in helping you to understand complex concepts and retain information. These can take the form of diagrams, charts, and other types of graphics. Visual aids can also make your notes more visually appealing and engaging, making it easier to remember information. Fourthly, actively engaging with information is a key factor in learning efficiently. By actively engaging with information, you are not only learning but also reinforcing the information in your memory. This can be done by asking questions, summarizing key points, and testing yourself on what you've learned. Finally, taking breaks is an often overlooked aspect of learning effectively. Our brains need time to process and consolidate information, so taking regular breaks can actually help you to learn more efficiently. It's important to use this time to review your notes, engage in physical activity, or simply relax and recharge your brain. By incorporating these tips into your learning process, you can become a more efficient and effective collector of information. Not only will you be able to learn more efficiently, but you'll also be able to retain information better, making it easier to apply your newfound knowledge to your life. With these skills, you can continue to grow and develop as an individual, both personally and professionally. Don't forget to show your support for my channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing to my videos. By doing so, you not only help me reach a wider audience, but you also encourage me to continue creating valuable content for you. Your support means a lot to me, and I appreciate every single like, share, and subscription. So, if you find my videos helpful and informative, please don't hesitate to give them a thumbs up, share them with your friends and family, and hit that subscribe button to never miss out on future content. Thank you for your support.